Good to go.
Fantastic. Right then, sir. So, in order to get the car moving, very similar to the MDX you were driving earlier, foot on the brake, going to hit the drive manual button. That's it.
Okay.
We'll pop the handbrake off. Nice, easy pull away. We're going to make our way out to the left. We're currently in quiet mode, so the car will, when it needs to or when it can, it will just drive in a pure electric mode. So we're just using the electric motor so we can kind of cruise around.
Okay.
So that's why you will hear the engine cut in and cut out. Like that. 4 modes in total, so currently in quiet mode. We can go up into Sport, Sport Plus, and then finally Track mode. Track mode we will not be using today though. For,
obvious reasons.
Yeah. Okay, we take. Okay, so when we're at the light here, if you want, we can turn the car up a little bit. We just grab the dynamic mode select. That's it. We turn it once to the right. That's Sport. And once Sport Plus. So that is the most aggressive level we get without going into track mode. So now all the parameters of the car have become more aggressive. So that's our steering, throttle response, gearbox, all-wheel drive, and all the strategies that encompass all those things. So the car becomes much more aggressive in the way it's going to act. It's also going to focus on saving as much battery energy as possible. It's not going to use the EV, it's not going to use the electric motors just to kind of drive around and commute. It's going to save all that battery power so that we can use it just in case we want to use it when we're exiting a corner, so we can use it for the torque fill. So it's cutting down on our turbo lag, and what little turbo lag we do have. So we can use our battery power for our torque vectoring.
people.
Yeah, it would have got moving a bit.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good with it opened up like that.
Yeah, for sure. We're getting a lot of that noise is getting piped back into the cabin as well. That's the thing, it's quite surprising, especially you don't realise quite how quick it speeds up.
Just, yeah, when it turns red.
Cool.